In today's tutorial, I will show you how to get a list of sheet names in Google Sheets with the script. If you want to get all sheet names in the Google Sheets, here is another script that can do you a favor. Please do as follows. Click the Extensions tab, click Applications Script. In the project window, click File this button and add the script. Press Enter. And in the project window, paste the following script code into the blank code and then save the code and go back to the sheet that you want to get uh, all sheet names. Then enter the following formula into a blank cell. Sheet names, brackets, press enter. And all sheet names in the Google Sheets will be listed as you can see. Please do not forget that the link to the script code is provided in the video's description. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.